Are you sure you are saying it the right way? Many English learners speak every day, but still feel confused, still feel unsure, still feel nervous, and the reason is very simple. Small mistakes, very common mistakes, mistakes that almost everyone makes today. We will talk about 5 highly common English mistakes. Mistakes you hear every day. Mistakes that sound normal, but are actually wrong. Do not worry. This lesson is not about perfection. This lesson is about awareness, because once you notice a mistake, you can fix it easily. Let us start. The first common mistake is using he go, she go. They goes. Many learners say, he go to work, she go to school. My brother go home. This sounds small, but it changes the sentence. The correct way is, he goes to work, she goes to school. My brother goes home in simple present tense. He, she, it needs us say it slowly. He goes, she goes. It goes. This one small letter changes your English a lot now. Listen carefully. I go, you go, they go, but he goes, she goes. This mistake is very common. So if you make it, you are not alone. The second common mistake is, I am agree. Many learners say, I am agree with you. This sounds logical, but it is incorrect. The correct sentence is, I agree with you. Agree is a verb, not an adjective. You do not say I am. Agree. You say I agree. Say it with me. I agree. I agree with you. This small change makes your English sound natural now. Let us move to the third common mistake using. Very much in the wrong place. Many learners say, I like English very much. This sentence is okay, but when you say I very much like English, this sounds strange in simple English. Put very much at the end. I like English very much. I like this movie very much. I enjoy learning English very much. Keep it simple. Keep it natural. The fourth common mistake is, how does it look like? Many learners ask, how does it look like? This is actually 2 questions mixed together. The correct ways are, how does it look? Or what does it look like? But not both together. Say it slowly. What does it look like? How does it look? This mistake is extremely common. Even advanced learners make it now. Let us talk about the 5th common mistake using since and for. Incorrectly, many learners say, I am learning English since 2 years. This is not correct. Since is used for a point, and time for is used for a period of time. Correct sentences are, I am learning English for 2 years. I am learning English since 2022. Say it again. For 2 years. Since 2022. This mistake is small, but very important now. Let us pause for a moment. If you are making these mistakes, it does not mean you are bad at English. It means you are learning. It means you are trying. And that is a good thing. English is not about speaking fast. English is about speaking clearly. Small corrections, big improvement now. Let us review gently. He goes, not he go, I agree. Not I am agree very much at the end. Not in the middle. What does it look like? Not how does it look like for time period. Since starting point, these 5 changes can instantly improve your English now. Here is something very important. Do not try to fix everything in one day. Choose one mistake, notice it, practice it tomorrow. Choose another one. Slow learning, strong English. If you listen carefully, if you repeat slowly, your brain will remember, and one day you will speak without thinking, without fear. English will feel natural, comfortable, easy. So tell me which mistake surprised you the most. Write it in the comments. And keep practicing, because every small correction brings you one step closer to confident English speaking. You are learning, you are improving, and you are doing great.